Hi and welcome to Eaton's custom-made service tutorial. Today I will walk you through how you can create the perfect shirt for your customer using our custom-made tool. The first step is always to assess the customer's needs. Does he need a shirt for business, leisure, maybe a special event? The goal is always to find the shirt style that fits him the best. We'll start by taking a measurement of the neck. Paul here is looking for a business shirt. And by looking at him, I can see that our Slim Fit 39 will probably fit him the best when we try on the sample shirt. When the customer is wearing the sample shirt, the first thing to look at is the shoulder part. Does it fit over the shoulder? Because that's the only part we can't alter. The rest, the length, the width, length of the sleeves, even the neck, that can be altered. But as long as it fits over here, you know that we can create a perfect shirt. We now know that the shoulders fit perfectly. And after talking to Paul, he is satisfied with how the shirt fits over the body and also the neck size. But he would like to add 1 centimeter of the length of the sleeves. And also a little detail. He would like to have his left cuff 2 centimeters wider to make room for his watch. I've now added all the adjustments that Paul wished for into the custom-made tool. And now we're gonna start walking through the design and personalization details for the shirt. Once you nail the fit, it's time to help the customer with the personalization. First, choose from our wide selection of fabrics. The right fabric is not only a complement for the occasion, but also about personal taste. The color frames the face, so choosing the right one is key. From high cutaways to relaxed button-downs, our expansive range ensures you'll find the right color. Cuffs are very important to match the occasion. For example, a French cuff for a wedding, but in the end it's really up to the customer. Now let's decide on the front. Go for a sleek, uninterrupted look without a pocket, or choose a chest pocket for a classic detail. Buttons and threads are the subtle details that elevates a shirt. Here you can alter the colors of the buttons, as well as the thread colors. The fabric accent step gives the customer the possibility to add contrasting colors or cuffs, or perhaps white colors and cuffs for a timeless business look. Finally, the monogram. You have the option to place it on the front mid-shirt or the left cuff. There you go, a simple step-by-step tutorial on how to use our custom-made tool. And remember, the key is to work with the customer throughout the whole process, just following the simple steps of the tool. Good luck!